You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that confuses a lot of people. And yes, it comes from French, so we're gonna sort out how it should be pronounced. The French pronunciation is praline. Oh, yes. Which is why most commonly in English it's pronounced praline. Praline. So that's both for British English and American English. But the Americans, in particular, sometimes also pronounce it as praline. So they've kind of modified the French pronunciation to make it sound as praline. So both pronunciations are indeed used and correct in English. Praline is way closer to the French pronunciation praline, but praline is not incorrect. It's less common and mostly American. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.